Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. And today we came up with an interesting video that is on how we can retain the employee who have put down his or her paper. So this is also an important question we will get when we are applying for any team leader role or operation manager and might being training team leader or quality team leader. You might get this question by the HR like how you can retain your employee who have put down the papers. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Guys, on my videos you will get a easiest answer which you can tell in front of HR and you can convey them very easily and you can crack your interview. Okay, so please do check out all the things and let's learn this concept very easily. You will have approximately 10 to 15 points and you can explain at least 5 to 10 in front of your HR so that they will get convinced, yes, you know many ways to retain your employees, right? So let's go with the concept that is top way to stop a value employee from quitting or how we can retain the employee. So let's start with the first point, which is why the employees will leave the company. So this is the main question, why they will leave. There are many reasons. They got opportunity outside, they want to go for the higher studies. These all are the positive reason, right? And sometimes they want to go with the different career, they want to switch their career. These all are the positive one. What are the negative, I would say not negative, what are the opportunities area wherein people or employee put down paper because of the company or because of the management? Example, stress, anxiety, burnout. Agent is completely burnout, like he is not at all willing to work, he feel pressurized. Frustration, panic situation, depressed completely. Might be sometimes not valued, like post doing giving the good scores but there is no value, not recognition received, no any certification received, there is no any I would say rewards received for the agent. And low pay might be a concern, but I would say low pay is the main reason I would say, but again it's depend like what pay you are getting out. Let's move to the retentions reason what we can apply in order to retain the agent. The first one we can see here, open discussion. Guys, whenever there is a retention discussion with the employee, you should be very calm, very composed, understand the employee, check out the thoughts, the mentality of the agent, what he or she is telling, what the issues that person is facing, what is the main reason. You have to do an open discussion there, but you should be very calm. Even you should make the agent calm so that the discussion can go in a positive manner. Second point, explain the career opportunities in the current organization. This is the main point that you can sell in front of agent, and you can suggest him lot what are the career opportunity. You can also show him or her about the latest IGPs, what was released, and what are the IGPs which gonna release in upcoming days or month. You can also guide like see how many people got promoted in our company within the span of 1 year. So you can go in this way. Third point, explain the discuss on the issues and challenges and try to resolve. If agent is facing any issues or challenges, try to resolve, try to understand. That doesn't mean that the discussion will come in the resignation. You should always connect with the agent during one-on-one, monthly, weekly basis to understand the pulse of the agent. Either he or she is burnout, frustrated, depressed, or anxiety, anything the person is facing out. Listen to the employee is the main thing. Always listen to your employee and give the answers accordingly. Show the appreciation and the work done by the employee so far. Let's try to see what the agent has done in last few months, what appreciation agent has received. So try to have all this discussion in place so that agent feel motivated and might be the mindset get changed and to revoke the papers. But situation you have to see there, like what is the situation, like either that person will revoke or not. Next, provide the inspirations. Always go with some inspirational stories. Show, I already told you, show them latest and the upcoming IGPs. In like see like what are the career opportunities, what kind of certification companies are providing, what kind of like other either on-site opportunities or anything are there is companies providing. Let's see those. evaluate the compensation structure if company allows. Sometimes this discussion comes wherein agents say I'm getting low pay, I'm not happy here. If you really feel that the agent is valued, please go and check with your management and try to see if there is any compensation can be evaluated. Okay, it is very rare, I would personally say, but yes, this might also be a point there. Next, we can move to the another point, that is providing coaching. Yes, check out if any coaching is required. Sometimes what happen, people will put down the paper post looking to the another agent, like okay, the company is full frustrated, the other another agent have put down the paper, let me also put down the agent. So try to have a coaching there, understand the pulse of the agent, offer the resource and support. If the agent is needed anything, try to have some resource and support. Try to see the flexibility if agent is required. Example, can't able to do night shift continuously, try to see if we can do a flexibility. Check with the management if we can move the another employees in the night shift and we can keep this particular agent. Check out the flexibility if possible, like shift timings, everything comes here. Reduce the workload if possible. Check out if we can move agent to the another workflow wherein we found like there are less targets or easy to achieve. Anything is possible. Let's can see to retain the employee. Make the accommodation if needed, if anything comes in picture. Work-life balance mandatory required. Certifications if any company provide. Guide, show the portal where the certifications are available, where the agent can go and let's have a certification there. Solve the management related issues if there are any, and discuss the performance if required. So in this way, these are not, I would say, enough, or these are only the retention discussion you can do. These are few points I have added. Now it's up to you guys. If you want to go with more points, more better, more articulated point, just check out, and please definitely share your feedbacks and comments in the below video. So this is all about the retention. We can try if anyone have put down the paper. Still have any doubt, please share your feedbacks and comments. Definitely I will try to help you out with the solution. Also let me know if you require any of the video on any of the topic. Let's work together and see if we can learn in more better way. Also check out our Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn page so that you will get information about all the upcoming vacancies, job related information, and many more details there. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.